to ISC computer classes. In this class, you will learn about SPY number and how to check whether the number is SPY or not using Java program. So first of all, we will discuss about its definition. A SPY number is a positive integer where the sum of its digit equals to the product of its digits. For example, 1124 is a SPY number because 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 gives 8, which is equals to 1 into 1 into 2 into 4, which is also 8. So see, it is very simple program and has a very simple logic. In this program, we will use two variable int sum and int pro. In sum variable, we will store the value of sum of digits, and in pro variable, we will be storing the value of the product of digits. And we will compare if sum is equals to product means pro, then we will print that n plus is a SPY number, else n plus is not a SPY number. All right. So let us discuss uh, with program. First of all, importing Java scanner package, defining class name, main function, public static void main, declaring scanner object, sc is equals to new scanner system.in, printing the user to enter a number. So initializing the value in int n is equals to sc.nesint. Now the number is stored in n variable. Now declaring and initializing two variable int sum is equals to 0. See, here we will store sum, therefore we will initialize 0, but here we will store the product, so we must initialize it with 1, else it will return 0 and all the values. So we will start the loop for loop as we had mentioned in earlier programs too, to extract each digit. So for int I is equals to n, I is greater than 0, I is equals to I divided by 10, sum is equals to sum plus I modulo 10, pro is equals to pro into I modulo 10. So suppose 1124. So first of all, int I in I value 1124 is stored. So sum is equals to sum plus I modulo 10 means 4. So 4. Now in product, I product is equals to product into I modulo 10 means 4 into 1 is 4 gets stored. Now again I is equals to I divided by 10. In now 112 value is stored in I. So 112 is greater than 0. Now again sum is equals to sum plus I modulo 10 means now the value in I modulo 10 is 2. 2 plus 4 6, and product is equals to 2 into 4, that is 8. Now again I is equals to I divided by 10. So 11 value, 11 is greater than 0. Sum is equals to sum plus I modulo 10 means 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. Product is equals to product into I modulo 10, product into I modulo 10. Now 8 into 1 gives 8. Again in 4 iteration, I is equals to I divided by 10 mean 1. 1 is greater than 0, yes. Sum is equals to sum plus I modulo 10 means 7 plus 1 8. Product is equals to product into I modulo 10 means 8 into 1. Again 8 values is stored in it. So I is equals to I divided by now 0. 0 is not greater than 0. Now loop breaks. If sum is equals to pro system.out.println and is a SPY number, else system.out and is not a SPY number means 1124 sum is equals to 8, product is equals to 1, then it will print it is a SPY number. Else if it is not equal, then it will uh, print that it is not a SPY number. So let us run and see whether it is working or not. So 1124, it is a SPY number. Now again we will give negative value. No, it is not a SPY number. See, a SPY number must be a positive integer. Alright. So giving 1 2 3. Yes, it is a SPY number. 4. 4 is a SPY number. C single digit. Then it will a SPY number. Alright. So that's all from my side. You can see that code is working properly. If you have any doubt or want me to explain again, then comment it down. And for more such video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.